The reason why Still Together is not available in our country, it's because of the partnership between ABS-CBN and GMMTV due to OTT rights, but the good news is you can still watch the original version of Still Together the series by using VPN application. Just follow the process so that you can download it. You can use other VPN application, but I preferred this one. It's because it can't cause harm on your cell phone and you can download it on Play Store unlike other VPN applications. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated to my future videos.